Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to buy or order on Amazon. Whether you're shopping for essentials or treating yourself to something special, this straightforward process will have your order placed in just a few minutes. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and head over to Amazon.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log into your account. Make sure you're signed in so you can access all your saved preferences and shipping details. After logging in, direct your attention to the search bar at the top of the page. This is where you'll type in whatever product you're looking for. Simply click on the search bar, enter your desired product, and hit enter or click the search icon. Amazon will then display a list of products matching your search. Now browse through the results that appear. Take your time to look at different options, read reviews, and compare prices. Once you've found the product that catches your eye, click on it to open the product detail page. This page gives you all the information you need about the item, including specifications, customer reviews, and availability. On the product page, you'll notice options for customizations. Select your preferred color if applicable, and choose other options like size or style depending on what the product offers. These selections ensure you receive exactly what you want. Next, navigate to the right panel where you'll find the quantity selector. Click on it to choose how many units of the product you'd like to purchase. This is especially useful if you're buying multiple items or stocking up. Once you've made your selections, click the Buy Now button located in the right panel. This will take you directly to the checkout process, skipping the cart entirely and speeding up your purchase. If this is your first time ordering on Amazon, you'll need to provide your shipping address. Click Add Address to enter your details. Fill in your name, street address, city, and phone number, then click Save this address. This information will be stored for future orders, making checkout even faster next time. You can also provide your payment method at this stage. Amazon will guide you through adding a credit card, debit card, or other payment options to complete your purchase securely. Now, select your shipping fee and delivery time option. Amazon typically offers several choices ranging from standard to expedited shipping, so pick the one that best fits your needs and budget. Once you've made your selection, you'll see the estimated delivery date. Finally, review all your order details one last time to ensure everything is correct. When you're ready, click Place Order. Amazon will process your payment and send you a confirmation email with your order details and tracking information. And there you have it. You've successfully placed an order on Amazon. The entire process is designed to be quick and user-friendly, ensuring you can shop with ease whenever you need something. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.